Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and I have a Craspire unboxing I'd like to do. And I received this from the marketing team of Craspire, Anna from there. And I was offered to make a selection of a few products of my choice and then just kind of review them. So basically, if you're interested in getting some stuff, they offer a lot of things. Anywhere from like wax seals, mainly wax seals is one of their, I think it's their core product. But they also have like washi tapes, they have scrapbook paper, different sizes of those. They've got like stamps, they've got dies for like different occasions and just all kinds of stuff like that. And it's really, they have a whole lot of things you can check out. Organza bags, storage solutions. They have very good prices, anywhere from like 99 cents for like your clear stamps and things, which is one of the ones that I've gotten, the Craspire Vintage label stamp. And they also have like 3D wax seals and stamps and stuff for the wax seals, which is pretty cool. I haven't really played with wax seals a whole lot, but they do have quite a few of them in there. So my next purchase will probably be like some of the wax seals. I do have wax seals, but not like their style wax seals. And so you could even check out their little clearance section. Just check out the whole website, and there's a lot of things you can find in there. But make sure though that like if you do want to order something, you want to make sure that you sign in. If you already have an account, or if you don't, just go ahead and sign up, and then you could even get deals and things like that sent to your email. But ordering is like really simple. Basically just find whatever item you want, just add it to the cart, and make sure your shipping and all your information is correct and stuff like that. And then you can just kind of like, just proceed to checkout. Real simple. And if you use the code ARTSY10, you'll get 10% off your order. So in the area where it says discount code, you just click apply, and then it'll show your discount using the code that you used, that you inputted in there. And then you'll continue the payment. And you can use PayPal. You can pay with PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express. They have different kinds of payments on there. Super easy. Just enter your information and then you're ready. So let me go ahead and get ready to show you what all I received. Let me get my scissors out. And let's take it from this end because I don't want to cut into any of the product. Let's see. And now keep in mind, these are items that I chose, and they have all sorts of varieties of them. So let's see what we have. Oh wow, these are some of the cutting dies that I had ordered. And this is, let's see. This is the Craspire Wildflowers Leaves Carbon Steel Cutting Dies. And I'll have a link in the description for everything that I'm using. And I'll just open this up so you can kind of get an idea of what some of these look like. And I didn't realize that there were so many in here. And these right here, let me click the link and see how much these came to. These were like $8.21. But then, of course, if you use your discount code, it'll be even less than that. So, yeah, you have all kinds of different shapes of leaves and flowers and all that. Great for your cards, scrapbooking, junk journals, all kinds of stuff. Paper crafts and whatnot. And I'm going to have fun with some of these. I'm going to do something with those. It won't be in this video. It'll be in another video. But And then, let's see, what else do we have here? This looks like it's the vintage paper envelope set. This one, if it's what I think it is, this was like $6.89, which isn't bad because you get a pretty good size envelope. Let me just open this up so we can see what we have. I really like this, especially for my junk journals and stuff. And it doesn't have to be for junk journals. You can use it for cards, greeting cards and all that. You have like white, you have black envelopes, you have craft color, and I love that because all the neutral colors, you can use them on all sorts of different things. And then you have your little seals that come in there to seal your envelopes closed. And then you have your cards. Let me open up one of these. Let's see. So it looks like it's more than just cards. Okay. It's like notepads or something. Let me just read the description of what precisely comes with these. It's like, okay, it's a stationery writing paper with envelopes. You get a stationery writing paper set size. Yeah, it's more than just cards and envelopes. It's whole stationery. And I like all the different things that you get in there. The stationery papers and stuff. These would certainly look great in a journal. And I'm definitely going to be making a journal with some of these. So let me just put this back in here. And so that's what that looks like. And then these, they're basically, you have a black version and then you have the cream version of the same thing, the same images. But let me just take this out, take the black one out so you can kind of see what it looks like outside the, it's like a glare with this plastic on it. But I don't know if you can see that or not, but you can see it's like a brownish coffee color. And then you have your different, I like that, how it's got the black on it. And you could probably take like a white marker of some type, or paint pen, white paint pen. That would look really good. That's something I haven't really seen much of. It's like black paper with white writing. I haven't really seen a whole lot of that. That would be cute. I'll probably definitely do something with those. So that's our envelope set. And this one was $6.89. And then we've got, what else do we have? This little stamp set right here. This one is the Craspire PVC plastic stamps for DIY scrapbooking, photo album decorations. And I love vintage, so yeah, you got your little vintage car, your vintage ladies, and then the jalopy. So yeah, and there's even like a little cinnamon on there. This is really cute. Definitely use this. So good luck. I really like that. And then this last one here. Oh, I love this one. Now I thought these were individual stamps, but I think this is like one solid stamp. Oh, it might be individuals. This one right here is the Craspire Vintage Label Clear Stamp Set. So let's see what we have. I don't know if it's one single one or if it's various ones. It might be various ones. Oh yeah, it's separate ones. Okay. Yeah. I love that. Love, love, love these labels. And let me just kind of show you. Absolutely. These make great backgrounds for all your different things that you're working with. Get your little postcard. Everybody loves little postcards and stuff like that. Vintage handwriting and script. Just great things, you know, the labels and tickets and all that stuff like that. But like I said, they offer a whole lot more. So definitely check them out. And like I said, I'll leave a link in the description. And if you're interested in ordering anything, use coupon code ARTSY10, which is ARTSY 10, and you get 10% off your entire order. And I'll have links for all the kits that I just shown you right here that I received. And then I'll have a link in the description just for the website in general. So, and I'll do another 2 videos on some of these. One of them will probably be on, I'll probably do stamping and dyeing or all the above. And then another one I'm going to be using some of these right here. So we're definitely going to have fun with all these. But I'll make at least 2 more videos of this, just using the Craspire items that I received. And I'll let you know what I think of them. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos and my blog and my social media sites. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.